today we will be drinking some hot cocoa. I never tried the Starbucks hot cocoa before, so I wanted to try it with you guys, and I also wanted to chit chat with you, so stay tuned on how to make this special hot cocoa. Before we begin, I want to thank Six Bowls is back, because she gave me the idea to try this, because I was looking at one of her videos. I think it was titled Day in the Life of a Mom or something like that. I can't remember what it was, something like that. But she was making some hot cocoa, I believe, while she was cleaning or something. But I said I never tried Starbucks hot cocoa. I always tried, these other brands, but I never tried Starbucks. I tried Starbucks coffee, but never the hot cocoa. So we're gonna try that. So don't forget to subscribe to Six Bowls is Back channel, guys. She has amazing videos on her channel. I'm pretty sure anything that you do on your channel, or anything that you need, like grocery shopping, or she vlogs, she talks about a lot of stuff. She does her hair, she does skincare, waxing, like it's different stuff. So you can't go on her channel and say that you just don't relate to anything that she does, because a lot of stuff I can relate to. So please go and subscribe to her channel. And thank you, Six Bowls, for giving me the idea to try this. So we're going to go ahead and start. All right, so Six Bowls is back. She had the Hot Cocoa Classic. I don't have the Hot Cocoa Classic. I do have the Hot Cocoa Marshmallow, guys. And let's see. It says sweet marshmallows mixed with rich velvety cocoa. Add hot milk or non-dairy alternative and stir. Okay, so there are 6 envelopes in this box, and I bought this from Walmart, guys. Y'all see my little cup right here? I got that from TJ Maxx. So the instruction says to mix 1 cup of 8 fluid ounce hot milk with 1 envelope. Okay, so when I was looking at Six Bowls is Back, do hers, she added 2 envelopes. So I want to add 2 envelopes because I like mine to be really rich. So before we begin, this is all the nutrition facts if you guys wanted to know what that is. And there's cane sugar in here, cocoa in here, processed with alkali or something like that, marshmallows, and y'all can read the rest right there. And of course, this is manufactured on shared equipment, processing tree nuts, soy, and milk. So you might want to read the nutrition facts before, in case y'all might be allergic to something. But I'm not allergic to anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this, guys. So I'm good. I already put my milk on the stove. I don't have one of those little things like she had where it heats up the milk, but I'm gonna do it over the stove. Okay, so here's my milk. We're gonna go ahead and heat that up. And if y'all hear any noises, that's my next door neighbors' roosters, guys. You can hear that all the way in here, so I apologize for all the little extra noises. And you can actually hear the birds as well. So see well, this is gonna heat up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I want you guys to stay tuned because I want to chit chat with you once this cocoa is done. Have you ever tried the hot cocoa from Starbucks? I'm pretty sure a lot of you have tried hot cocoa before, any brand, but have you actually tried Starbucks before? Okay, we're gonna let that kind of heat up a little bit. All right, guys, I'm adding the 2 packs of hot cocoa. There's even a recipe on the back right here. Let me see if I can show you guys this. It's a recipe for quick s'mores hot cocoa. And I'll go ahead and add this one here. And I'll show you guys how it looks. second. This is how the cocoa looks before I add the milk, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the milk. The milk is warm, guys. Alright. I'm gonna stir that. Just keep stirring it, and you see the marshmallows. Okay. How is your day going today, guys? My day is going fine. Today is Friday. I believe I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video the same exact day I recorded to get it out of the way before the beginning of the new year. What is your New Year resolution, guys? Before I even ask that, how was your Christmas? I mean, I had an amazing Christmas, guys. I got everything I asked for. I didn't vlog this year. I didn't vlog my birthday or Christmas this year. Oh my gosh. But I did get everything I asked for. I got gift cards, I got boots, I got blow dryer, and I'm gonna explain that blow dryer in a minute, guys, because I asked for that. And it's not a regular blow dryer. I'm gonna explain that in a minute, but I got everything I asked for. I hope you guys got everything you asked for as well. You want to go ahead and go on the sides, try to get all that little extra stuff on the sides, guys. Okay, and just stir that up. Make sure all the cocoa is stirred up in there. Before I begin about my New Year's resolution and all that, I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. And did y'all take advantage of the sales? Because I know I did, because I was like, you know what, this year I want to go get some of my Christmas decorations for next year. So I went ahead and did that. If you went to the after Christmas sales, what did you guys get? Did you find a lot of sales? Comment down below and let me know, guys. Okay, we're gonna try this. Give me a second. And before y'all ask, I still got my Christmas tree up, baby. I'm not taking it down till after New Year's. And you lucky, because last year I kept it up till after like Easter, guys. So, but I still decorated like the Christmas tree according to the holidays, but I took it down after Easter. But this year I'm gonna take it down after New Year's. I actually want to put something in this area back here where I have my Christmas tree, and I don't have that yet. So I'm gonna wait till I get that, because I kind of moved some stuff around. But let's go ahead and try this. I know it's hot. Y'all like my cup? Very sugary and sweet, might I add. But I can taste the cocoa in it. I love it. Now I'm used to cocoa that you can add the water and not the milk. So this is really good to me. This is like a different flavor and very rich. Very, very, very rich. I love it. Y'all go and try that. Okay, I wanted to talk to you guys. Okay, I don't know, a lot of my I don't know if y'all do this. A lot of y'all are natural when it comes to your hair. And my hair, I perm it. My natural hair, I perm it. This is not my natural hair. This is my go-to wig. Y'all see me in this wig all the time. I need to get me another one like this, because I love this unit right here, because I rock it all the time. I could just put it on and go, and I'm good. And it's not too hot, you know, on my skin. But I've used different ones. I put different ones on, but this is my go-to one where I could just put it on and go. So anyways, my natural hair, I perm it, and I started seeing guys in the news about, you know, people getting cancer behind perms and stuff. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stop using it. Because that is not the first time I heard that, but there is an actual big lawsuit over that, guys. So I said, you know what, that's it. The last perm that I did in my hair, that's it. I'm not putting no more perms in my hair. I'm gonna go completely natural, and I did go completely natural before, so this is not my first time going completely natural. I had went completely natural for probably 2 years, and I was like, sorry, the camera's like all up on me. But I went natural for 2 years, but I was just getting irritated because I didn't know how to maintain my hair. The hardest part about maintaining natural hair is that when you wash it, you have to make sure it doesn't tangle, and that's the part that was just so difficult for me. So if you are naturalistas, I guess that's how you pronounce that, if you have natural hair or you have been through a natural hair journey, please give me some tips in the comment section, guys, because I am going back to being natural. I'm going to be looking at some videos on how to maintain my hair, and I think it's even more healthier for, my scalp and everything as well, because I'm still going to wear my units, but I'm saying on those days when I want to actually wear my hair, I want to be able to wear it, and I don't want to put no perm in. I want a natural look. So if this time I'm not going to switch back to perms. I'm done with perms, guys. I just rather do my own hair. I had asked for this blow dryer from my husband, and it's not a natural, it's not like a regular blow dryer. It's like a brush with the blow dryer, and I needed that. So instead of using perms, I can use this brush blow dryer to blow out my hair and to make it straight if I need it to be straight. But as far as any more chemicals in my hair, I'm not doing that anymore. I also got this new product that I use now, which I'm gonna show you guys that in my the products that I bought, new products that I use now video, but that's not gonna be in this video. I'm just gonna mention it. But it helps with my my eczema, and it just nipped it in the bud, guys. That shampoo that I bought is really good. It's really, really, really good. And I'm going to recommend that to anybody that has any type of scalp condition, that might have to try that, because I never knew about it. But it actually works for me. But if you have heard, I'm sorry, I keep hitting this if y'all hear anything. If you heard about the lawsuit about that, please let me know, guys. Please let me know, because what do you think about that? Did you know about it already, or was you shocked when you heard about that? If you haven't heard about it at all, please let me know. And it's all perms, guys, all perms. Us, African Americans, a lot of us do use those perms. So I had to warn all the ladies in my family about that, because a lot of them didn't even know. So Google it, guys. I'm telling you, you will see it if you have not heard about it. So I decided I was going to do that. So I wanted to chit chat with you on that, guys. As far as my New Year's resolution, I don't know. I do want to make some changes, but I have not had that set in stone yet, what I want to do yet. But what is your New Year's resolution? I don't want to go and say, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that one. I'm not sure yet what I want to do, and I'm still working on that, guys. But whenever I do have it set in stone, I will come back on and let you guys know. But I do want to know, I know some of y'all already have some New Year's resolutions, so please let me know. I don't know if this camera got a little lighter, dark or what. But anyways, another thing is, guys, the New Year's resolutions, a lot of people don't follow it, and I'm one of those people. So that's one thing I kind of want to change. Like, if I do say I'm gonna do something, I want to stick with it. I stick with it for a little while, and then I'm like, I don't too much, want to complete it, and I just go on my own little journey or whatever, and I don't complete it. But I wanna stick to that, and it's kind of hard. Consistency is a challenge to me, and I'm sure it's a challenge to a lot of y'all. But we can do it, guys. We can do it. Whether it be weight loss for the new year, whether it be changing your personality, or how you treat people, or how you connect with people, or what you do as far as your career goes. It's different things. People have their own New Year's resolution on, and they want to make changes. But make sure you guys, if you do make those changes, and you stick with those changes. Like I said, I'm not perfect, and I struggle with consistency, guys, but I want to try this year to at least, do a couple of things and make some changes and stick with those changes. I don't know yet what it is, but I will make sure it's consistent. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review. Also, if you haven't tried this Starbucks hot cocoa, guys, go and check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to Six Bowls is Back, her channel. She's a sweet person, guys. Go and check her out and tell her Mink sent you if you haven't subscribed to her already, because some of y'all probably already subscribed to her, but she's an amazing person. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe, hit that notification bell if you guys, so you are notified each time I post a new video, guys. Have a blessed day. Bye bye, my minkies.